Hi guys, so today we're gonna make everyone's favorite paneer zingy parcels. First, we'll prepare a dough. For that, I'm taking 2 tablespoons instant yeast and half cup warm water. Now we will mix it and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and we'll keep it for rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. By the time for the dough, we'll make 2 cups of maida and add 3 to 4 tablespoon oil and pinch of salt and mix it well. Now add the yeast mixture and knead a soft dough out of it. Lastly, grease the dough with oil and keep it aside for resting. So now time to make the sauce. For that, we'll heat up some oil in a pan and add 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Add 1 cup roughly chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Now take 1 cup of 4 to 5 roughly chopped tomatoes and keep sauteing until tomatoes start to leave its peels. Now add salt as per taste and mix it well. Now add mixed herb seasoning and chili flakes 1 tablespoon each. I'm adding 1 small cup of tomato ketchup to give a perfect khatta meetha taste or tangy taste to our sauce. Add few crushed black pepper and saute. Now it's completely optional, but if you have, you can add 1 tablespoon basil parsley to it and add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Now mix it well and grind it into a fine paste. You can see the consistency. So now for the oil, I've already prepared this, but all you have to do is, in normal cooking oil, add oregano and chili flakes, and that's it. The last step for preps is marination. For that, we'll take 3 tablespoons approximately of hung curd and add haldi, red chili powder, dhania powder and salt. Now give it a nice mix and add small cubes of paneer and 1 tablespoon of oil into it. Now mix it and add finely chopped capsicum. Now finally, time to execute. So for that, make a ball out of the dough and roll it with the help of maize flour or makki ka atta. We are using makki ka atta because it gives a nice crispy texture when we bake it. Now follow the steps to give it a proper shape of parcels. Remember to keep dusting the excess flour stuck on the dough. Now put the sauce we prepared earlier and add some grated processed cheese on it. Now the marinated paneer and top it with mozzarella pizza cheese. Now pack it from all 3 sides. If it is difficult, so you can apply a drop of water for packing. Now grease with the oil we prepared. And it's time to bake. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes and tada! Here our paneer parcels are ready.